Number 1.
Is my cell phone in the bedroom?
No, it's not. It's in the living room. Number 2. Where did I leave my towel?
It's on the stairs.
Number 3.
Is my wallet in the kitchen?
No, it's not. It's in the bedroom. Number 4. Where did I put my car keys?
They're in the garage.
Number 5.
Is my jacket by the door?
No, it's not. It's in the closet. Number 6. Where's the phone?
It's on the table in the dining room.
Number 7.
Is my towel in the bathroom?
Yes, it is. Number 8. Did I leave my cup in the bedroom?
No, it's in the kitchen.
Number 9.
Is my hat in the living room?
No, it's not. It's in the hallway. Number 10.
Where did I leave my coat?
It's in the yard. Oh no, it's raining!